Gusto niya ano? Ha? Yung ano, yung parang Peter.
Minsan, yung ginagawa ni Erica, ilalagay niya sa frigidaire naman tumari.
Para malamig.
Para malamig. Sa kanya ibibigay.
Yum yum.
Gusto niya.
Oo. Nakakatulong din.
Tahimik yan.
See, he likes it. You like that. You like that toy, huh?
Give smile, baby.
Erica, you look at him.
Tingnan mo.
He likes that.
Wow.
He likes his
You
gums
like
to be
that?
rubbed.
You like that?
Here, baby.
Huh? You like that? Huh, baby? Huh? Smile pa yan. You smile.
He likes
Come
it.
on. Smile. Tingnan mo, hindi pa.
Look at this cute.
Ah, come on. Give smile, Ethan. Ethan. Hey,
You like it.
what did I
huh?
say? You behave,
You
pa.
like to be
Smile.
tickled, huh? Look at his smile.
Ganyan lang yan eh.
Big.
He's the best in the morning.
Stop the whole day
Why
today.
You know why he likes it? Because it's soft.
Yeah. There's little bristles on it too.
And then I'll turn him
Yeah.
over and he'll just stretch for about 5 minutes. Hindi man lang katulad ng ibang bata. Hindi naman lang yung ibang bata, Mari, pag-ising, yak.
Yeah, I know.
Minsan hindi ko mamiyak yan pag umaga.
Ow!
He likes it.
Jeez! He's biting on me.
Kasi Mari malambot, so he likes it. Oh.
Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Dee-dee-dee-dee. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee.
Enjoy niya, oh.
Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Akala niya nag-DJ na siya.
Where did you
Hindi
get
yung
that?
nakakalo sa gum niya tayo dahil lumalabas yung kanyang ngiti.
Good? Is it good,
So
babe?
you can feel the teeth? Huh, Jen?
A little bit, yeah.
Oh, Dennis, now you know what
I
to
could
do.
feel him biting.
By that thing.
Ow!
He really bites on.
Ow! Rub, rub, rub. Scrub it up, up. Clean your teeth.
Minsan, pag nasa puntahan kami, mula sing Erica.
It's like holding my finger, honey.
Ganyan lang, ganyan.
Look at that. Ow!
Basta lang malinis na yung kamay mo. Mali.
Yeah, he'll gnaw on your, like this,
Oh, yeah?
forever.
Really? He doesn't like the pacifier?
Mm.
Nagtatamsak siya, Mari, pag minsan. Pag pinatutulog niya sarili niya.
He took him.
What is that?
I'm tired now.
What?
See, but look at the head. He's really trying to reach.
Yeah. Pinaliguan ko pa rin, Mari, for the first time. Nasa bathtub. Oh my God. Pati ako basa.
Hindi napagod ka.
Pati ako basa.
May kasama ka pang nervyos.
Sino?
Baka madulas.
He's like grabbing my finger to put it in.
Tapos tawa ng tawa eh. Lalagyan mo ng lotion, lalagyan mo ng oil, yeah, yung oil yung buhok niya. Dahil meron pa siyang konting ano, Mari, eh.
Oh, yung parang.
Aray ko, that hurt.
Pero at least malinis yung ibang bata. Is